Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander with the V6 motor, and this is the 3.5 liter standard gas. So we're going to go over how you would check your oil and add oil if needed on this vehicle. Engine, the hood has been raised and supported up, and so here is the engine dipstick to check the oil, and here's where you would add oil. So we're gonna, on a good level service and with the engine not running, we're gonna pull this out. You wipe it clean, and what we're looking for when we pull it out is you've got two dots on here. The top one is full, the bottom one is low, and anything below that you don't really want to have it any lower. But in between these middle is operating range, and that's where we want it to be. So we've wiped it clean. We're going to reinsert. And we are right in perfect operating range for this vehicle to run. So the oil is good, but if you need to add oil, this is the oil cap. Twist this counterclockwise. Spin it off, and then you would add oil here. Use a filter, not a filter, use a funnel if you need to. It'll give you better height and not to pour engine down the side of your engine. Then once you've added the oil, this is a OW20, so add what they recommend, and then you just put the cap back on, turn it clockwise, and that is how you check and add oil on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.